Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 26th, and this is my recap of the top field videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So in a way, it's a little bit of a slow day on the dollar pairs today. Gold did make a pretty decent move down, but the move down definitely didn't break structure. So the trend, even on the 1 hour time frame, the trend is that technically still up. Now today was a bank holiday for the UK, which is kind of why we didn't have a whole lot of volume out of the dollar pairs today, most likely. But tomorrow, Tuesday, on the 27th, we have this housing news. Probably not a big mover, but at 3 p.m. UK time, we have consumer confidence, and we also have manufacturing index tomorrow. So definitely a couple dollar news events to keep an eye out for. Hopefully we'll get some decent moves. Now, if this does go down, what's looking at other dollar pairs, I think this is likely a wave A. I think that we could be in a wave B. Now, I would pay very close attention to these fib levels. If it makes an impulsive move down at a Fibonacci level, then likely it's telling us it's going to go down, probably for a correction to this whole move up for a wave C. Once it starts to move to the downside, then you can put your Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. Look for 3 waves down, look for a Fibonacci bounce, look for engulfing move up for the end of a correction and potentially the continuation of the uptrend, because I still have some targets around the 2550, 2560 area. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.